Hey traders, let's talk about Siren Crypto, up a massive 150% in just 24 hours, now sitting around 50 cents. Sounds exciting, right? But hold on, this coin has already shown signs of pump and dump moves, rug pull concerns, and extreme volatility this month. So what's next? Real bullish momentum, or just another trap? Big spikes like this can attract FOMO, but they can also be exit liquidity for early buyers. Always zoom out, check the fundamentals, and never chase green candles blindly. Trade smart, stay cautious, and remember, in crypto, not every pump is your opportunity. Sometimes it's someone else's exit. Siren Crypto fresh trading signals are in, and solid targets just dropped. We've got clear entry and exit zones lined up to help you catch the move. Want the full setup? Check out our Patreon. Link is in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.